welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download UFC on Android, right? So, for some people, they can actually use their Play Store or the Apple Store to install the app to their phone, while some don't have the privilege, maybe because of regional problems, or maybe it's not been listed to your region, right? So all you need to do for people that can actually do it on your Play Store, just go to Play Store and search for UFC, and you're going to see the app. All you need to do, click on install and start installing once. And for those that don't have it on their Play Store, all you need to do is go to your Chrome browser or any browser you use and search for EA Sports UFC APK. Once you click on that, you can see many links where you can actually click on to download the UFC app, right? So all you need to do is scroll down, and you can see the download is actually loading up. So once it loads up, you click on it and it's going to bring out the download option where you get to pick to download. And once you click on download again, it's going to start downloading. As you can see, mine is going already, so I've downloaded one before. After you do that, you click on it and it's going to get installed to your phone. Very easy and simple. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.